In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly toggle the layers window in Draw.io using a keyboard shortcut. If you work with complex diagrams, layers are a simple way to keep things organized, and knowing how to reveal or hide that panel on demand will save you time and screen space. First, open your web browser and go to Draw.io, which also appears as diagrams.net, depending on your region. Once the editor loads and you're looking at your diagram canvas, you're in the right place. You don't need to change any settings or open any extra menus for this. We're going to use a built-in shortcut that works right from the editor. Now for the key action, press Ctrl, Shift, and L together on your keyboard. That's Ctrl plus Shift plus L. On a Mac, use Command, Shift, and L. When you press it, the layers window toggles. If it was hidden, it appears. If it was visible, it hides. Make sure the Draw.io editor is active before pressing the shortcut. If you were clicked into another app or a browser address bar, the keys won't do anything in the diagram. A quick click anywhere on the canvas will bring focus back to the editor before you try again. When the layers window is open, you'll see a list of all the layers in your diagram. This is where you can rename layers to keep them meaningful, show or hide layers to reduce visual clutter while you work, lock layers to avoid accidental edits, and reorder them to control what sits on top. If you're collaborating or iterating on designs, layers make it easy to separate ideas, versions, or sections of a diagram without moving shapes around one by one. When you want more room to work, just press the same shortcut again to close the panel and maximize your canvas. A few practical tips while you're here. If the panel doesn't appear at first, try the shortcut again slowly, making sure each key is held down together. If you're using a laptop with a function key row that changes behavior, you may need to hold the FN key depending on your keyboard settings, though most setups won't require that. Keep layer names short and descriptive so you can find what you need quickly, and hide any layers you're not actively editing to keep the canvas clean. And that's it. You've gone to Draw.io, used Ctrl plus Shift plus L to toggle the layers window, and you're done. With this simple shortcut, you can keep your workspace tidy and your diagrams easier to manage. Thanks for watching and happy diagramming.